Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm taking on a waterproof makeup challenge. Yes, I'm going to a water park with full makeup on and we will see if it can actually survive water rides, splashes and hours of fun. So stay tuned because this is going to be a really fun and super helpful if you want long lasting makeup tips. I am starting off by applying a good amount of moisturizer to prep my skin. This step is really important to keep makeup smooth and the skin hydrated all day long. Next, I am going in with a primer that helps to blur the pores and grip the base so that the foundation and other product don't melt away easily even in the water. Next, I am applying concealer to cover my dark spots or blemishes under the eye or mouth area. Next, blending it out nicely. This gives a fresh and flawless look. Now I am using a full coverage foundation that matches my skin tone and blending it all over my face evenly, making sure it looks smooth and natural. To lock in the base and avoid any crazing or melting, I am setting everything in place with a setting powder. This step makes the makeup more waterproof and sweatproof. Now, I am applying a soft pink blush on the cheeks to bring back some colors and make the face look fresh and glowy even after hours. Now, for that radiant glow, I am adding highlighter to the high points of my face like the nose bridge, cheekbones and cupid, forehead. This will keep the skin looking luminous throughout the day. Now for the eyes, I kept it simple but defined. First I applied a light transition shade with a fluffy brush. Now on the eyelids I used a medium to dark tone to give depth. Blended the lower lash line with brown eyeshadow. Applied kajal to define the eyes. And then I used black liner on the upper lid, which I also slightly smudged for a soft look. Now, to finish it off, I applied waterproof mascara to keep the lashes curled and in place all day. To complete the look, I first outlined my lips with the help of lip liner to give them shape and prevent the color from bleeding. Then filled them in with a waterproof lipstick. To make sure everything stays exactly where it is, I sprayed a setting spray all over the face. This seals the makeup and adds extra protection from water and sweat. So, this is the final look before leaving for the water park. Everything is looking super clean and flawless. And now it's time to test it in real condition. From prepping the skin to the last touch of setting spray, every step has led to this final look. Elegant, long lasting and full of confidence. Just enter the water park. I'm so excited. The weather is so hot but perfect for some water fun. I enjoying the rain dance and getting completely drenched. I checked my face and honestly the makeup has not moved much. It is still holding on really well. I sat under the artificial waterfall and did several water slides, but even after all that, the foundation and eye makeup are still intact and looking fresh, which is seriously surprising. So it has been over 4 hours of fun in the wave pool slides and many more, and my makeup still looks pretty fresh. I am honestly quite impressed with how well it is holding up. Now we are heading back after spending almost 6.5 hours at the water park. I am filming the last clip in the car with a zoomed camera and except for a little bit of foundation fading around the nose, everything else is still in place. I had say this waterproof makeup challenge was a big success. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tips and beauty experiment. You can also follow me on Instagram at the rate Tripti_makeovers. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.